Kari Bhoi district ringkat bat kari hi barok kawai. Kala Rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka banyo pelai ha ka arpun retrik ukula lingkot arjar arpuar. Ya ka bala penlong habaran NSCA pahams nongpo. Lawan bani Shim mentaro menteri ketenat transport bat PWD ke sarkar jela ubat dasakiat lamari kumukongsan ubala Shim ya ka salute bat kentio ya ka lama lai rong Jong kari India. Hagati ngilai dalam UMLA Jong Nongpo constituency uba Meryl Bonds ikong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ke district kiweki officer na kitrat rekam Jong Sarkar bat kinong snong Jong Kathan. Hadian Jong kene ladon ru ke jingpen irong dagi tablu dagi tnat rekam baper bala samru iki khusnam syakitogi balwan ra buram kamtam ya ke district bala pensyong kon shosho ya ke program dagi surging rai bat ki jingshat
in the history of a beautiful state Meghalaya. It is indeed a proud privilege for me to extend my heartiest greetings to the people of the state on completion of 50 eventful years of statehood. As we celebrate the state's achievements, we must also turn the pages of time to remember and pay tribute to the sacrifices made by the great leaders of the Hill State movement who, through their vision and determination, ensured that we are blessed with a state we can proudly call our own.